I hear that motor whining. She's on pedal assist mode 1, and we'll see how we do. One of these days, I'm probably going to crash doing these videos. Hopefully, if I do crash, I'll at least hopefully have it spectacularly on camera. Hello and welcome to Random Things. This is Ty, and today I'm at Peters Canyon, and more specifically, we're going to ride the Peters Canyon Trail and the Irvine Regional Park Trail with the Jupiter Defiant. I'm going to have my wife ride my Defiant, and we'll see how the trail does. It's kind of there's some asphalt, but then we're also going to get into some, I guess, packed gravel roads. I've never actually ridden up here before, so it'll be interesting to see how this goes. And more importantly, how does the Defiant do in this type of road environment? We'll track the mileage, we'll track the battery life, and then you'll get a sense on whether or not the Defiant is a good bike for this type of riding terrain. So I'll show you some clips as I ride, and then hopefully at the end you're still sticking around and we can do a little wrap up, and I'll give you a little summary of the overall experience. With that, let's get started. So it's kind of gravelly, hard pack, occasionally soft sand. So the 4-inch fat tire is nice, especially when occasionally you run into that soft pack, as opposed to my bike, which is a more traditional mountain bike tire. It does not really like that soft sand very much. But this is a good trail for that type of tire, I think. So, and she's doing okay with it. She likes her seat all the way down because she's a little nervous. So I know that's not the way you're supposed to ride, but hey, that's why you have a motor. Go into first gear. Pedal. Pedal. That's right. Good job. Use that motor to get you started. All right. Getting up that hill. Here she comes. There's a slight incline. Keep pedaling. Keep pedaling. Keep pedaling. So that you engage the motor. Keep pedaling, you cheater. Why did... Alright. Come back around together. Back on packed gravel road. Lots of people out today. So hard packed dirt. Gonna come up on a curve. It's a little steep, so we'll see how she maneuvers. But the steep is only a short section. You gotta pedal through. Pedal. There you go. Keep going. Keep going. Use the throttle to help you if you have to. There you go. Watch out for that dip. There you go. Good job. Right on. Woohoo. All right, we did a real quick loop in Peters Canyon. We ended up turning around and going up the dirt side. But have some videos of her. Hopefully you thought that was helpful, of her squirreling around on the dirt. So what do you think?
That's scary.
Scary? But did the bike feel? Well, how's the bike feel?
It feels safer than my skinny tire bike.
Oh, okay. Well, that's rude because I built you your skinny tire bike. That's okay though. The Defiant is a good bike. I think actually we did really well with that bike. I think on this trail, it's not a super difficult trail. So, you know, if you're looking just to kind of be able to go from asphalt to some packed gravel to maybe some looser sand gravel road, the Defiant definitely was able to handle it very well. So with that, I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, please hit the like and share button. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. That would really help me out. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next random video.